So are you involved in that medical commodities business scam? Are you one of those people running around buying, selling, flipping test strips? What's up, guys? So it's Sunday. Still made a couple of pickups. Yeah, buddy. Actually, just one pickup on all those, and gonna make a couple $100 off one deal. It's Sunday, and I was planning to take the whole day off, but hey, money calls and couldn't turn down a quick opportunity to make a couple $100. But I wanted to speak real quick about the medical commodities business scam because every once in a while I get somebody who brings up they've seen an article online or a video or something like that. And so I just want to clear it up. Like I've done video on before in the past. This business model, buying and selling, reselling diabetic test strips is perfectly legal. It's been going on for a long time. And any of those articles out there, things like that are speaking about it as a business model scam, really that's just on there are bad businessmen or women that do this business, and there have been over time that were scamming customers, things like that. But guess what, that's going to be in any business. It doesn't matter if it's a restaurant industry or a car dealership. There's always going to be shady business people that scam customers and things like that. So that's really what those articles are referring to. There's pretty few, there's not many of them. They're just kind of like clickbait articles, and they're really just kind of talking about companies that have come and gone over the year. They're shut down now, but there have been some companies that have risen up that were doing things unethically and taking advantage of customers, scamming them. But those are few and far between, and really, this business as a whole is a very simple and a completely legitimate business. It's not a, most of the customers that I deal with are pleasant people. They're nice people. They're not shady people. Like when I was flipping phones and things like that, a lot of the people I was meeting with were pretty shady. But in this business, they're nice people. They're good people, and it's a simple business. Nothing sketchy or shady or scammy about it at all. As long as you do your business like a good business person and are taking care of your customers, doing things ethically, the right way, then you're gonna have a legitimate, great business and have nothing to worry about. So it's a completely awesome business, and you can make a lot of money with it. Like I said, even on a Sunday today, just chilling, gonna make one deal, gonna make a couple $100 profit, just like that, baby. So if you want to learn how to make a fortune, make a lot of money buying and selling medical commodities, flipping diabetic test strips, then go check out the course in the description. Get the course and do one-on-one coaching with me, and I'll teach you how to start making money ASAP. All right, baby. Until next time, have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.